Hello guys, it's in once again with you today. So this is the Nokia 3.4. So I'm going to do an unboxing video, very quick unboxing video guys. So whew. Wow, guys, this thing looks so beautiful. Nokia 3.4, 2 years Android upgrade. So guys, let's see the specifications here. There's more power, smoother performance, Qualcomm snapdragon 460, maximize screen, all that. 2-day battery life. It has an ultra wide megapixel, 5 megapixel ultra wide and 8 megapixel for camera and all that. So guys, without wasting our time, let's go straight to this video. Whoa, guys, this is the phone here. Looks so beautiful as expected. So let's keep this in aside. So let's check what's in the box, guys. This is very important. If you like this video, please subscribe, like and share this video. Thank you so much. The SIM ejector tool on top of it. This Nokia user guide and others, different languages, so there's nothing to write home about. By the way, wow, it comes with the case. The Nokia did a good job here, right? Including the case here. So this is a TPU case, although here it's called condom case. So I like this case. It looks good, transparent case. So let's see. Okay, this is a USB cord, and it's a USB Type C, guys. Take a look. This is a USB Type C. I'm happy for that, guys. So this is going to give you a quick charge. We charge your phone in a lesser time. So this is the brick, charging brick, the standard one. So it's okay. And it's a travel charger, by the way. So this is the earpiece, guys. So it's found in the capsule. So this is the earpiece. This earpiece looks cheap, guys. Yeah, and I'm not surprised, because this is a cheap but not so cheap device. This device cost 66,700 naira, and this is the 4GB RAM and 64GB variant. So I think the 4GB RAM and 32GB variant cost just 56,000, so 10,000 naira difference also. So but I think this is a better value for your money, guys. So that is it. So let me take these things off. Whoa. This is I feel surprised, because I've done a Nokia unboxing video before. I unboxed this. No, this is the Nokia 3.2. I did unboxing video. It wasn't this. I didn't see all this. Wasn't this surprising? So, but whatever, guys. This is Nokia for you. More phone, more power, more power with Qualcomm Snapdragon 460, 6.39-inch HD plus with maximized screen real estate, triple camera for all your needs. 2-day battery life on the Android 11 radio. Wow, this is the most interesting here. The most interesting thing here is the Android 11 radio. So with this device, I can upgrade to Android 11 as soon as possible, guys. So let's check the properties here. Oh, sorry, this is the power button. This is the Google Assistant button. Don't know if you can see it. This is the SIM tray. This is the microphone on top. This is the headphone jack. This is the volume button, volume minus. This is the speaker. This is the microphone below. This is the USB Type-C port. So I'm happy this is the USB Type-C. So I'm happy for that. Thanks to Nokia. At least you can get a quick charge on this device. So this is this blue color. I don't know. So what blue is this? Like I don't know. So this is the 13 megapixel main camera. This is the 5 megapixel ultra wide camera. This is the 2 megapixel bokeh camera, and this is the flash. This is the ring setup. This is the fingerprint. So guys, let me put this thing up. Let me move this thing. So. And this device, this is the front camera. It has a punch hole camera, so it looks beautiful. This is the Nokia logo here. So let me turn this thing on. Wow. This is so different from the Nokia 3.2. When you put it on, Nokia 3.2 is a very different interface here. So let's see what the device has. But not so affordable, guys. The Nokia devices are good because of their software update, and you know it is Android 1 device. So let me just set this up. So I've changed my language to English, United Kingdom. So let's go. Guys, there is something I want to say about this. This is a very beautiful screen. This is just a 720 by 1600 in pixel resolution, but it seems so cool. Looks like an AMOLED display, but this is an LCD display, guys. So I like the display on this thing. And this punch hole display, punch hole camera display is cool. Like just feels like a very full screen device. So not now. Wow, guys, welcome to HMD Global. So this is like a 3.4 for you, like a 3.4, sorry. So this thing has a very beautiful screen, guys. I will tell you the truth. This device just feels so sweet, like comparing it to the Nokia 3.4. Look at this, guys. Both look sweet. So guys, this is Nokia 3.4 for you. Let me check. So this is the Follow.com apps. This is just a basic Google apps. And this device is running on Android 10. This device is so sweet, so beautiful. You will enjoy this device when you get it, guys. I advise you to get this device if you want to buy any budget phone. When your budgeting around 6,000 to 7,000 naira, this is a good buy. So guys, I just like this device. So I'll compare it with my Nokia 6.1 Plus. I'll do a comparison video with the Nokia 6.1 Plus because this is 4 GB RAM and 64 GB. This is 4 GB RAM and 64 GB. While this one is just 2 GB RAM. So I won't be comparing it to this one. So that is just it, guys. So let me open the camera quickly and see how the camera performs. Wow guys, this is a very beautiful camera, as you can see. So let me take picture this thing. So, so let's see the ultrawide camera. So you can see it's in so wide, but the ultrawide camera is not that clear. It doesn't have a lot of details. Looks washed out. So, but it's manageable, guys. So it has a night mode. Wow. Let me see how the night mode performs. So guys, I love it. Let me see the video here. The stabilization is okay, guys. So this is just an average camera, but it's okay, guys. You won't regret buying this device. So let me check the portrait here. The portrait has different features here, guys. So this is Nokia for you. Let me try this. So guys, you see, it has nice portrait and it has lots of details, guys. So you can see a lot of details with this camera. So the portrait is okay. You can even get portrait shots even while using the normal camera. So this shows you how advanced the 13 megapixel on this camera is. So let me check the front camera. So as you can see, the front camera is really average, guys. Very it's poor, guys. It's a poor camera, guys. So you can't take night shots with the front camera. So here are the settings here, video resolution. So it's capped at 1080, no 4K. Guys, the blue here looks like purple in some shades. When you tilt the phone to different angles, you see different colors, guys, and it's more of purple and blue, guys. I like this. It's so beautiful, as you can see. Can you see it? This is a bit purple. It's just so beautiful in real life, guys. So I just like that. So guys, this is the Nokia 3.4 for you. If you ask me, it's a good phone, but it's not a flagship device. As you can see, it's just snapdragon 420, and the camera here is pretty average, guys. It's average, but it's manageable. So guys, I've come to the end of this video. Thank you so much for your time. If you like this video, please subscribe, like and share this video. Thank you so much, and I'll see you on the next one. Peace.